guys. We are still dividing fractions with mixed numbers. I'm going to do a couple more examples with you, hopefully to clarify what you're doing. Then you're going to go and do some practice for today. Again, if you still need help, let me know and I'll be happy to help you guys out. All right, I'm going to switch my screen so we can do a couple more examples and make sure you understand what you're doing. Share. Okay, make that bigger. Oh no, stop sharing. Share again. Share. All right, there we go. Lovely. So we have these two problems that we're going to focus on. Again, we're dividing, but are we really dividing? No, because a fraction is already division. So we're going to be using our friend KFC to help us. Remember, keep, flip, change. Okay, so starting with this one. First of all, I cannot have mixed numbers. I have to change them to improper fractions. So I'm going to put my T and my X. So I can use my Texas two-step to change them to improper fractions. Remember, I start at the bottom. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Keep the denominator. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Also keep the denominator. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 improper fractions now. Now we're going to move on to our KFC so that way we can solve this problem. So we're going to keep our first fraction. We're going to change our symbol from division to multiplication. And we're going to flip or take the reciprocal of our second fraction. Okay? Now we're able to multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 10 is 30. We now have our fraction. Our last step is to see if we can simplify. I end in a 5 and a 0. When I end in 5 and 0, I know that I am divisible by 5. So 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. 30 divided by 5 will give us 6. I am still not simplified. I can be simplified again. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Our final answer is 1/2. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, there's a shortcut that I've been showing you. If we go back up to here, I can cross simplify, or at least I could try to. So I'm going to look across. I have a 5 and a 10. Do they share anything? They do. They both share a 5. So if I divide both of them by 5, I can now simplify that to a 1, and I can simplify that to a 2. Now I'm going to check the other way. I have a 3 and a 3. Well, that makes it easy. They both share a 3. 3 and 3 make 1. 3 and 3 make 1. I can now multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So by doing this cross simplification, I cut out all of this middle work, and I still got the same answer. Again, some of you may not like it, and you do not have to use it. I've shown you the way to do it, so you can still do it that way. But for those of you that like the shortcut, there it is again. All right, let's do one more. Let's change my color. With this one. Again, I have mixed numbers. I need to change them to improper fraction. I'm going to use my helpful friend, Texas two-step. Starting at the bottom, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Keep the denominator. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Keep the denominator. Now my friend KFC, I'm going to keep the first one, going to change from division to multiplication, and I'm going to flip or take the reciprocal of the second fraction. I'm going to multiply like normal. 9 times 2 is 18. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, I'm in proper, so I know I have to change that back to a mixed number, but before I do that, I can simplify this. Both of these are even. I know I can use 2, but I think there's a bigger number we can use here. 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6, 2. Again, I'm still in proper, so I have to use my friend Tae Bo. Top in, bottom out. 2 will go into 3 one time, with 1 left over. Remember, we don't add a decimal. We're changing it back to a mixed number, remember? So our top number is our whole. What's left over is now our numerator, and our divisor is our denominator. 1 and 1/2. 1/2 is already as simple as it can go. We're going to backtrack. Let's go back up here. Let's see if we can use our shortcut here. We're going to look across. I have a 9 and a 3. Do they share anything? Yes, they do. They both share the 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now let's check the other side. I have a 2 and a 4. Do they share anything? Yes, they both share the 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Again, our shortcut cuts out that middleman, and we still get to our final answer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully these extra problems help clarify what you need to do to be successful in your assignment today. If not, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you guys. All right, go back to your folder and do your work for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.